Welcome to the Home Bartender. I'm Anne, and today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon syrup for tiki cocktails. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks broken up, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of water. Let's get right into it. This is basically a 2-to-1 syrup with cinnamon sticks added. So I'm going to toast my cinnamon bark here for about 30 seconds. We just want that to get fragrant, bringing out those oils a little bit, okay? I add my water. This might sizzle a little bit. And then I'm gonna bring that up to a boil. So we've got this boiling, and you let that boil for about 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna bring that heat down to a simmer. I'm gonna add my sugar now. I'm gonna whisk this a little bit as we go. I'm gonna keep whisking this, and then I'll just turn off the heat entirely. You wanna whisk this until you can't see sugar in the bottom anymore, until it's totally clear. Take it off the stove, let it cool, and then strain it into another bottle like this. You can keep it in your refrigerator for about a month. If it turns cloudy, then you know that it's not good anymore. I usually add a couple of cinnamon sticks to it because this cinnamon does not lay claim to what kind of cinnamon stick it actually is. It's not Ceylon or Saigon. I went to the website for this in particular company and tried to find out what kind of cinnamon it was. So it's not super spicy. If you want something a little more spicy, then you're gonna use the Ceylon or the Saigon cinnamon in replacement of just a store-bought stick that you get at a regular store. So that's how you make the cinnamon syrup. I use this a lot in tiki cocktails. You can use it in your coffee, put it on your pancakes. There's lots of different ways to use it. That's it for me today. Go check out my other videos on tiki syrups, and we will see you on Friday. Be well.